So I just want to hide some columns from report view. So I go into sales table and customer number, I'm going to hide that. Product number, hide. And territory number, hide. Now we want to make some changes to data category for a number of columns. So we're going to customer and city. The data category will be city. Country, data category, country region. And one more here in customer state province name, data category, state or province. Now we'll just go to territory table, territory country. So data category on that is country region, and territory group is content.